Hey, little girl, what are you doing?
I'm staring.
Are you driving?
Yeah.
You driving a hot rod?
Yeah. To Grandma's house.
You're driving a hot rod to Grandma's house?
Yeah.
That's wonderful. You going fast?
Do I have any hot?
Hot wheel? Hot rod?
Yeah.
The car's a hot rod, isn't it?
And where's the fire?
Oh, there's no fire.
Oh. So is the hot rod our car?
Yes, ma'am.
Wow, can you come in? Here. I'm coming in. I'm
Right.
going in the back.
How come?
Because I want to sit in the back.
Do ya?
Yeah. What's in here? It starts off the window.
Okay, I gotta go in now. Okay? Say bye-bye.